today it's a cloudy, miserable day, but we're on the R6, so it makes it all the more fun, just like that. It is cold, -1 I think they said in the morning, and the highest point we're going to have today is 6 degrees, so lucky us. Main topic: cold clothing. If you are going to be riding all year round and all season, you're going to have some good round clothing to cover you and protect you all season round. Summer, when it's hot, it's great, but it doesn't mean you go round riding topless and a squid, as they call them, don't they, where you're just in your slippers, and if you fall you basically shred and skin yourself alive. Ah, damn, this road's closed, isn't it? Ah, motherfucking shit, Sam. Okay, so I'd have to do a U-turn, and sports bikes are notoriously shit for U-turning. So I did a little glance there, and let's see. I had to put my foot down there, so that would have been a failure in a test. But this bloody steering, full lock, and it's nothing. I might do a thing where I show you how sports bikes turn. But yeah, ridiculous. Felt like a pleb taking that U-turn, but having to put my foot down like an amateur. That's the word. Yep. So dress for the right weather. For example, now most jackets these days have an inner lining, for like a quilted inner lining. So if it's cold, you zip in the inner lining and it gives you extra bit of warmth. And providing you put your gloves over your jacket and your air doesn't get in through your wrists, you're normally quite good for keeping warm. But the higher speeds you do, the bigger the wind chill, so keep that in mind. And Gore-Tex is meant to be great for keeping you dry and breathable, but in the cold you want to still layer up, because that layering is what's going to keep you warm, because inherently the body releases temperature or releases heat, and the more layers you have and gaps between your clothing, that's where the heat kind of stays, and that's what keeps you warm. So if you're wearing one t-shirt underneath your jacket, it's not going to be great. But if you've got a t-shirt and a hoodie and then your jacket, you'll have a lot more layers to keep you warm. And that looks like a nice Veladero 125cc. I just wanna be close to you. I just wanna know so 125. And yes, so good idea to wrap up and keep a few layers between you. And when it's hot, keep your jacket on, just take out that thermal layer, and you should be good and protected. And most of them come with air vents as well, so if it is really hot you can unzip a few panels and you get some air coming in. So that's a few things to keep in mind.